loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a heatless blowout. It kind of turned out to be a fail because I chose to follow Chic Naturals tutorial. Stick to the end to see exactly why, but if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. Starting off on thoroughly conditioned and detangled hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into 6 ponytails. It was actually a real struggle doing this in the shower. I don't know why. She made it look so easy. My parts were not as straight as hers. They were kind of wonky, a little crazy, as you can see. And at the end, it doesn't really matter because you're gonna comb through the parts anyway. This is how it looks when I have all of the 6 ponytails in place, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and thoroughly rinse out the conditioner, and I tied it up in my little ratchet bantu knots that were falling out just so that my hair wasn't dripping down my back. Now we're going in with some oil. She used a different type of oil, but this is one I had on hand, so I went ahead and went through my hair with this oil and braided the entire 6 sections up. Pretty self-explanatory. I can tell you one mistake I definitely made right here. She braided up her hair while it was damp. I braided it while it was wet, so my hair came out way more defined than I intended it to be. I feel like it would have been better if it was dry so that it wouldn't have taken form to the braid shape so well, because once I ended up doing the last step, I didn't really see that full-on blown out kind of look. You guys will see at the end, but I definitely think that that was a huge issue as to why. Here's where I figured out that it was not really gonna turn out the way I wanted it to. I did realize as I was taking out the braids, like, oh damn, like this is really coming out way too defined. I needed to be like a little bit less so that it could kind of just turn into like a nice smooth poof, but it just turned into like a kind of wavy curly poof. But either way, it still looks really good. This hair kind of makes you feel like Beyonce from her Blow music video, so I low-key like it. I am going to use it as a base for my next hair tutorial that I'm coming out with next week, so be on the lookout for that. Here are my final results. Thank you guys so much for coming through. I wish you guys all the love, light, and good vibes, and I'll see you next time. Bye!